it's Jidna Marie here, back again with another video. And today I got my girl. She comes to the camera. We are about to be doing a cook with me vlog. Well, probably just a vlog in general. I had a long day. I had my birthday photo shoot today, so we just chilling. We got the baby with us.
Duda.
Look,
Janae.
he's not feeling it today. She is getting greens, fried fish, some Taylor port, if anybody knows what that is. What else? Cornbread, all that. I am so ready to eat. I have not been fed a home cooked meal in like a couple of days, y'all, and I don't even be eating out, none of that, so clown. He holding on for dear life. Dear life, because he's scared. I've had such a long day. Like, I don't eat at all, and then I complain that I don't feel good. And vlogging's awkward because somebody's staring at me. But anyway, we're gonna just ride it out. But yeah, I haven't ate anything all day, and I feel like I'm about to pass out. So this food is about to be so good, y'all. So good. What you looking for?
Tropical punch. That's big. I need my tropical punch.
Smile. Why won't you? Oh, my hands are cold. That's probably why.
Girl, he don't care about no cold hands.
You know?
He just got an attitude. Alright, so somebody need to direct me to the tropical punch.
Nah. Is upset about her tropical punch.
You gotta get buried. What is buried?
Poor baby.
Every time I go to the store.
This is hilarious.
Push.
I'm just casually walking around with my 40-inch bundles. I used to be so self-conscious about it because people would just be staring. But now, 40 inches is my...
My girl, like, let it swing.
Let it swing. Wait.
But tell me who you supposed to be.
Oh, God.
Oh, fuck no. Where's the water?
This is today's mood. I'm about to thaw out the fish and then we will start. Should have put this all in a container, but you know, who feels like it? Welcome back.
I still want to have the other one though, because I fry food so much. Like, if you're not eating pork chops, fish.
I hope I don't break out. Oh, never mind. I think I'm allergic to just salmon. But
That's tilapia.
yeah,
I don't eat salmon because salmon sometimes hurts my face out. It only hurts my face out.
I think that's what it was. That batter be smelling so good.
So nice and hard. We got some muffin. We got oh girl, do it again.
So we forgot eggs. So we're about to run out again and go get some eggs. What a long day. So we're gonna start off with the cornbread. She's getting all the measurements for it. I'm gonna let her do her thing with the cornbread, cause I'm not the one to be measuring anything.
You're gonna have a couple. Get my lid for my mac and cheese. And this is check it out. Open that dishwasher. That small one. Oh, that's small. Okay, my bad. I had it in this hand. That one's for the big pan. We're gonna do that.
We got the little fish thing going.
Am I moving wrong? Stand up, how brown that one is?
Yes, like it make a big difference. It's 3:34.
Bring up my one.
Hey.
I have to do it. Those two ready. Oh, you took them out already?
Mm-hmm.
Try to taste the rain. Yeah, my taste the rain.
Shit.
I need to get a bigger frying pan. Janelle, where are you? Let's know you what.
So yeah, guys, this looks so good.
Girl, you gotta cut that part. I'm talking about some of your what. Come here, let's shoot shit.
When I think about like having to cook for a dude, I cannot cook every day. I do not know how I be doing that. Like that's dead.
Come here, baby. Let me change it up.
Especially when you have kids, you have to come home after a long day of work, care for your baby and cook for me.
The life of
He can go to McDonald's.
bitch.
He can go get some noodles. It's good, y'all. Thank me later, okay? Period. My stomach hurt, y'all. It's gonna be my first meal, y'all. What? Say hello. Hello. Popping grease. Hello. Hello.
Are you smiling?
No.
You gonna smile up this though, look.
Think so? Yeah.
You like weird stuff like.
Yeah. Look at me. I'm like.
You know, I should be tickled. He holding upside down. He's busting out laughing. I'm like, alright. I don't think you should be laughing if you're being held upside down. But that's what you like, my guy. That's what you like. Look, mommy, it does.
It's cooking faster because it's old grease. I said, wait a minute. There's no reason why the first batch took that long. It's always the first batch that takes super long. So like you said. No, we didn't get no food. We starving.
Be like, we just started making the fish.
Who cooking? Who cooking? Who cooking for us?
Look. I was trying to y'all was coming. I definitely did not get enough food.
What's up? What up, cousin?
Alright, so it's almost ready. That's the last of it.
Lena? That's who made them? They for you, right?
A song gonna go right here.
They for you?
Song playing over there.
What's up? What's up?
Somebody gonna be short tomorrow.
Shake, 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 shake. Step.
My baby's car right there. And he gonna blend it in with his hand.
So we'll finish
What?
But
Well, you deserve to eat in the kitchen.
He can eat it? potatoes. I can't do it. I can't eat them.
Today has been like such a long
That is Picasso, you damn it.
I didn't even do nothing all day like
You.
What?
A sentence that shall be henceforth served out here.
but that's it, that's the end of our little cook with me. She doesn't want to do the mukbang, so
Girl, you just put hot sauce in my rib.
Protection of the United Galactic Federation.
but yeah. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell for updates on my next video.